Hey aspirants, welcome to The Radicals, a channel where you got the simple and easiest explanation of more complex and fragile topics. And I am your host and host Devanand Jha, and you call me with my nickname which is DJ. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the informations and facts that is associated with the Ministry of Minority Affairs. And before knowing the information, you should have to know the significance of this topic. And before the significance, you must have to know why it is important to know the significance of any topic. So, knowing the significance of any topic might have the potential to change your thought process completely. It will help you in achieving a more focused and conscious temperament while reading or watching any topic. And if you once gained a more focused and conscious temperament, it will definitely help you in achieving a more attentive approach towards any topic, along with enhancing your memory skills. So, knowing about this topic is important because of the ongoing debates, discussions, and implementations of the new Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. I hope you all were aware about already aware about this topic, and if you not, don't worry about this. Just leave a comment on the comment section, and I will definitely make a detailed, short but effective video within a couple of days. So, Ministry of Minority Affairs. So, it is not a constitutional body, but it is an executive body which is established by the Government of India on 29th January of 2006. The main aim of establishing this is to achieving a full potential of minorities, also, and also to provide the minorities a platform to raise their voices and quests. The first minister who serves as an minority of home affairs is A.R. Antulle, and the current minister who is serving as a minority minister is named Kiran Rijiju. So, summing up all the things that I have mentioned you, that it is not a constitutional body, it is merely an executive body, first thing. And second thing, it is established on 29th January of 2006. Third thing, if you wanted to know the difference between the executive body, the judiciary, the constitutional body and the statutory body, then just leave a comment on the comment section, and I will definitely try to make a detailed, short but effective video on this topic also. Fourth thing is that the first minister who serves as a minority minister, his name is A.R. Antulle, and the current minister who is serving as a minority minister is Kiran Rijiju. Now, in India, there are 6 religions which are fall under the category of minority. So here are list of these castes or religions. So in the first place, it is Muslims. Second place, Sikhs. Third place, Parsis. Fourth place, Buddhists. Fifth place, Jains. Sixth place, it is Christians. And the most important thing that I think you should have to know is the Jains are declared as a minority in India only after 2014. So that is it for today, friends. I hope you guys like this video, and forgive me for such low quality video, and thank you